in downtown Houston. We're taking a walk here for architecture, taking a look at buildings. Let's go. We're on Main Street here, the pedestrian walkway. Look at some of the architecture down here. And we're going to head across the street and through that park over there, which is called Market Square Park. This is Old Market Square. They have these little music things. There's Petite Lucy. And over here there is a waterfall. Man-made, not natural. And it looks like we're being invaded by bicyclists. Wow, that's a lot of bicyclists. And we have a view of some of the downtown architecture right here. Brava. Across the street here we have a parking garage. There's a lot of those in downtown Houston for some reason. I'm guessing it's because there are lots of cars around here. And the street we're going to be spending the most time on is Louisiana Street, which is home to most of the skyscrapers in downtown Houston. This is the theater districts now, Louisiana Street. And here is one of the iconic buildings in downtown Houston. Here's the Jesse H. Jones Hall for the Performing Arts. This is a pretty good vantage point to look up Louisiana Street in glorious 4K 30 frames per second. Some e-bikers. And this is the corner of Capitol and Louisiana Streets, which is where you will find this building, this iconic building. Here's a look up Capitol, both directions. There's a train coming down that way. I always thought it would be nice to have a subway in Houston, but there's a slight problem with that. Hurricanes. This is the TC Energy Center. That's the one I was showing you. Beautiful. There's a train coming right there. And closer to Main Street, it's more train oriented. 611 Walker garage parking. That looks easy to get in and out of. And I guess there would be 611 Walker right here. There's a building that has blue neon lights at the top. Oh, that's a nice view here. There's Wells Fargo Plaza. That's one of the big boys here. So this is 1100 Louisiana once again. We have a little dancing water show over here. This is really cool. People e-scooting across the street here. That was a look up Lamar. And we also have these bridges between buildings here. Now up in Canada, where I did a video earlier this month, they have bridges and systems of bridges and walkways enclosed because of the cold. Here in Houston, that's because of the heat. Centerpoint Energy Building, which is who pretty much all of us in this metro pay our gas bill. And a last look up Louisiana before we turn on to Dallas Street. It says, "Welcome to the heart of the city." Oh, that's a nice view here. A look up Milam. Here's HPD, downtown precinct. Here we are at the corner of Dallas and Travis Streets. You'll look up that way. And actually, that's the tallest building in Texas. Here is 1111 Travis. The front of 1111 Travis. Here's Lamar. That's a nice contrast, those two buildings right there. And this is McKinney here. And to look up Main Street again. There's the front of 1001 McKinney. And here is Fannin Streets. There's a horse waiting over there at the light. And this should be 1001 Fannin here. I hope you enjoyed this night walk in downtown Houston, and we will see you in the next one.